Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. ZEBEC Network is about to get listing on Kraken on October 15, 3 p.m. UTC. What it means for the price, what it means for ZEBEC Network. Let's dive into the video. Let me show you the ZEBEC chart. Okay, ZEBEC. You know we're bullish on ZEBEC in the channel. If you like ZEBEC, you gotta subscribe. You gotta subscribe to the channel and click the bell. We're doing live stream on ZEBEC, a regular price updates on ZEBEC. Keep everybody level headed and make sure to smash the like, subscribe, and support the channel. Support the channel. Now look, this is ZEBEC Network, okay? You have the listing in the 15. You know, I've been trading crypto for the last 8 years, saw a lot of listing, okay? Look what's gonna happen again. What might happen? Give you possible scenarios. All right, listing pumps usually you know everybody know it's gonna get listed, right? So they buy in anticipation. They buy in anticipation. We might get a blow off. We might get a parabolic pump. Hopefully we're gonna get a parabolic pump. I'm just putting it here, okay? But it's on the 15, okay? It's on the 15, just to show you, like, you know, kind of a move. All right, so we got 5 days. We got 5 days for the listing, okay? Now, if it will pump hard into the listing, all right, we're talking about like break that level, break even that level, it might be a sell the news, okay? It might be a sell the news. You know, the whales are scammy. Remember, the exchanges, they work for cash, okay? All they want is make bling, 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 bling. Now, ZEBEC Network paid them probably to list or whatever. Anyway, they're probably going to get a lot of coins. Now, they get the coins out of nowhere, out of thin air, okay? Suddenly they have a lot of coins just for listing the coin, all right? Now, the coin is going up in value into the listing. Okay, and now boom, their bag is worth a lot. They're worth a lot. So they're gonna start distribute. Maybe they're gonna keep it. Maybe they're gonna keep half of it. Maybe they're gonna dump everything. At the end of the day, exchanges are business. All they care is cashing the money in the hand. That's what they want. Okay, that's what they want. Again, that's why most crypto listings are tops. You can go watch the Caspa listing on Kraken, was a major top. The Turbo listing on Kraken was a major top. Again, I'm not calling for a major top. I'm just telling you what happened in the past. It might not happen for ZEBEC. ZEBEC could be a totally different animal. And actually, ZEBEC is in a much more bullish position at the moment. It's super bullish, hyper bullish, very bullish. Again, they might, you know, that's the first scenario. The first scenario will go parabolic, then they take profit, push it down, manipulate the price, then we go sideways a little bit and continue to the moon. Okay, first scenario. Second scenario, same stuff, parabolic pump, they manipulate it and it goes down, break support, bad. We go sideways and then we continue. All right, that's the bear case. We don't want it. Okay, now, another situation is you get no pump. You get a little pump here coming back down of the downward trend. You get the listing and boom, the listing become a white swan. Okay, that's a good one. All right, so that's a bullish event. All right, a disappointment, you know, no listing pump, but then after the listing, bam, whatever, Kraken not selling anything, they're actually buying more. Who knows? Okay, so that's the bull case. Okay, so really expect volatility surrounding the listing or up or into the listing or after the listing. These events are very, very important. They bring buyers, then bring sellers. If they're gonna list it also on their futures, they also bring short sellers and etc. Okay, so keep that in mind for ZEBEC. Okay, we're gonna keep you posted on what's coming. At the moment, chart is mega bullish. It looks like we're gonna break out. Obviously, we are positioned into ZEBEC. We have buy orders ready, waiting for it. When it breaks in higher, we're gonna buy more. We also have take profits ready for if it's gonna rip, we're gonna cash out profits and we're gonna raise our stops. Okay, we're gonna raise our stops. So even if it's gonna do the first scenario, which is blow off and then coming back down, we're gonna have our stops here. We're not baboons, hodlers that will hold into a blow off top. Okay, after the blow off top is in, we're gonna move our stops and let the market decide if it wanna roll over. So be it. We're gonna get stopped out, take our cash, throw it into other trade. If it's gonna keep ripping, no biggie. Our stops will not be violated. We're gonna keep printing. That's the strategy. Man, Stop wasting time. Join VIP. You're going to get cooked this cycle. I want to show you a few trades we took meanwhile while ZEBEC was doing nothing. ZEBEC been doing pretty much nothing for the last, 5 months, 6 months here since the blow off here. It's pretty much going sideways here because this is the average price of ZEBEC, So if you've been buying on this average price around, the 5 or the 4 or the 5 or the 6, obviously you're in a loss, 6 or 7. 7 was once. If you bought at 7, you're a baboon, man. you are a monkey. But anyway, most people that be buying here, they're actually, or break even or a little bit of loss. Okay, so complete waste of time, honestly speaking. But again, once we break the highs, we're probably gonna go nuclear. We expect to go nuclear soon. But again, you don't want to waste your time. All right, you want to be in ZEBEC? Cool, be in ZEBEC. Half of your capital. All right, 30%. The others, let me show you, man. Meanwhile, we are printing. What are you waiting for? Join our membership. Look at this trade. I'll show you soon. Look at soon. Bought it at October 1st. Recommended the members to buy. The price was 40 cents. I will show you the price in the chart in a second. That was the first trade for soon. Then we had another one a couple of days later. Buy the break above 56. Look at that. Look at soon. Look how you do very well in a crypto bull run. Look at soon. That's our market. Okay, that was our first entry here, 40 cents. Bam, up on it. We're up on it. Max gain. Max gain was around 150%. Okay, right here. You can see 150%. And the second one was around 77%. Now it's consolidating. Maybe we roll over, maybe not. Anyway, the profits are locked in. We have our stops here. And we'll see if it's going to continue. Keep printing. Man, look at that. 150%. 77%. That's unreal. Now all these profits are gonna flow into the ZEBEC breakout. That's how we do. We ZEBEC maxes. We build very big positions when ZEBEC start bull runs. Okay, just like we did back in the days here. I'll show you the trade on ZEBEC. That was the trade. May 19th. Look at the date here. We recommended ZEBEC before you even know it existed. Most people never heard of ZEBEC prior to the pump. Look at that, May 19th, buy now, price was 19, and we tripled the size on 217 breakout. Look at ZEBEC. Look what was our entry, man. We're not playing games. That's our job. We here to help you. Bling, 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 bling. That was our entry right here. See that? 19. Okay, let me zoom in here. 19 and 21. Legendary trade. Still enjoying the profit of this trade, man. Two entries. 240%. Insane. Another one, max gain, 280%. Obviously, we cash out the majority on this area, but we left some to run, and we stop out here on a major profit, like a double plus. That was like we got stopped out on the remaining of the runner for around another 3x. Okay, 200%. Man, stop everything. Stop wasting the bull run. Stop wasting time. Join the best service in the world for trading crypto. By far, there is nothing like that. Nothing come near our toes. Nothing come near our little pinky nail. Nobody is coming here. All the other clowns, they just losing money to people over and over again, getting wrecked, buying cooked coins. Not in our home, not in our house. We give you trade alerts, market updates every day of the bangers, of the market leaders. We repeatedly nail them over and over and over again. Why? Because we know how to trade. We know how to trade. We're doing our research. We follow all the coins, all the chart, looking for alpha, never buy cooked coins, buying only bullish assets. Bullish assets. If you're buying cooked coins, you're buying Ponzi's on the way down to zero. Don't do that to yourself. Join VIP. Stop thinking. You think too much. Join VIP. Just follow. Follow the trade alerts. Follow the market leaders. Follow professional traders. Been doing it for 8 years. Will guide you. Will give you the best support in the world. Check it out for yourself. Do 1 month. Try it out. You don't like it. Cancel it. Probably gonna fall in love and buy membership for life. It is what it is. Join us. If you trade with more than 5 digits, check out Elite VIP. This is for serious investors and traders that want to make the best out of this market and out of themselves. They want to become the top of the top of the top traders, and they want unlimited support to me and to Jomo. Check out our elite VIP. See you in the next video. Cheers.